Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Physics classes. Dear students, we were discussing about motion in a plane. What do you mean by motion in a plane? Motion in a plane is nothing but object moving in a x as well as y axis. X as well as y axis. For that we have defined frame of reference. What do you mean by frame of reference? Frame of reference is nothing but in physics we are going to say it is frame of reference. In mathematics it is x, y, z coordinates. Okay. The x, y, z coordinates same we are going to bring in the physics. That becomes frame of reference. Simple. So frame of reference is nothing but x, y, z coordinates. X, y, z coordinates. In that way, another way, and upward like that. No? So we can move in x simultaneously x axis, y axis also. But we can't move simultaneously x axis, y axis, z axis. When you are going to move x axis, y axis simultaneously, when you are flying x axis, y axis, z axis simultaneously you are moving. A butterfly is flying like that. But we only possible x axis and y axis simultaneously we can walk. Okay, that is the thing. So, but we were talking about one example for motion in a plane. And what is that? That is nothing but one is projectile motion, another one is uniform circular motion. Means object is revolving in a circular path, and it is having a constant speed. A constant speed means the magnitude of velocity is constant, but velocity is going to change. Whether magnitude of velocity is going to change? No. It moving 5 meters per second, 5 meters per second, 5 meters per second like that only. But each and every time the direction of velocity is changes. How the direction of velocity is? The direction of velocity is in the direction of tangent to the path. Okay, tangent you are going to do. But what is it? Whether since there is change in velocity, there must be acceleration. There must be acceleration. And what is that direction of acceleration? Acceleration we found that by writing the by writing the tangent change in velocity we got a vector which is towards the center. By writing triangle of acceleration we found that direction of a centripetal acceleration is towards the center, and we will call that acceleration which is involved, that is nothing but centripetal acceleration we are going to call. Why it is centripetal acceleration? Because it is always towards the center. Now we got an expression. We have a formula. What is that? V square is equal to, we have a formula. What is that? A centripetal acceleration is equal to V square by R. What is V? V is nothing but linear speed. V is nothing but linear speed. Okay? And R is nothing but the radius. Now, what do you mean by linear speed? What do you mean by the radius? In the earlier video of mine, I have written the same form or diagram. Okay. But in this way, I have written the mirror image along x-axis, along y-axis, along z-axis, that is linear speed. What is that? Along x-axis, along y-axis, along z-axis, that is linear speed. What do you mean by angular speed? Angular speed. Angular speed. The name itself indicates, no. Angular speed means the change in angle with respect to time. Change in angle with respect to time. Now it was here. It came here as, say for example, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree, 70 degree. Exact here means 90 degree. After the exact here means 180 degree. Exact here means 270 degree. Exact here means 360 degree. Again, it rotates. No? A wheel is rotating. Say for example, wheel is coming in this way, right? Okay. The wheel is rotating. First this point here. Now after certain rotation, the point again it will come here. Means one rotation it has done. In one rotation, how much it has moved? See, because of that angle, there are two velocities. No. Now it is rotating. The angle is changed. Angle is changed. When it reaches here, this point is reaches again here means it turns 360 degree changed. Now to 360 degree, in what way it has changed? The linear speed is fast. So again it changes. In fast, with 1 second 360 degree changes means velocity also more. If 10 seconds it will take to take 360 degree means little less. So for 1 minute it will take to rotate that 360 become the 360 degree again which is less. No. Make two velocities you can make out. No. One is that is angular, one is linear. Linear speed we got. That is we are drawing the tangent we are going to write down. Okay. Now we have to find out the linear speed as well as angular speed. So angular speed means what? We are going to write down it as omega. So don't ask what is this. This is a notation. Greek letter omega. Omega we are going to call. So what is that omega? Omega is the rate of change of angle with respect to time. What do you mean by velocity? The rate of change of displacement with respect to time. What do you mean by what is this? What do you mean by omega? Angular speed. I'll write down here. Okay. Angular. What do you mean by angular speed? It is omega is equal to delta theta by delta t. Delta means what? Now why have we written delta? Delta is small displacement, small angular displacement, small time. See, now let's come to that point. See, we have written like this. This is theta and this is L. Okay, this is R. Then we have written L is equal to R theta. And you ask why that formula comes. That formula will come in mathematics. You have to derive it. Okay. But now as of now you should know L is equal to R theta. The same formula if you write down here means. See, this is the displacement delta S. No. This is the displacement I will write down delta S. Okay. At the place of L, what is this? Delta S is there. Is equal to at the place of R. Okay. R is nothing but delta R itself. Okay. R itself. That is nothing but okay. Theta is delta theta is changed. Delta R is changed or R. You can write down R itself. You can write down no. Let it be R. Okay. Now what we are going to get? So if you write down in this way means omega is equal to delta theta means so you can write down so omega is delta theta is equal to delta S by R. No? So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. From this equation I will write. From 1 and 2 omega is equal to delta theta means how much? Delta S by R. Already delta theta is there. Delta T is there. So what do you mean by this? 1 by R into V, no? Because delta S by because since delta S by delta T is equal to T. Change in displacement is divided by time is V. So you can write down we will get in such a way that what we are going to write. That is omega is equal to V by R or V is equal to R omega. So V is equal to R omega. V is equal to R omega. Means if large circle is there, large velocity you can write down. Large velocity is going to be. Small circle means small velocity, no? So consider the big wheel is there and consider the small wheel is there, no? The radius is large. The radius is large. Same the angle you are going. For 1 second, one rotation you are giving to this. 1 second, one rotation is giving to this. Who is faster? The bigger one, no? Because V is equal to R omega. We can say like that, no? Okay. So velocity we can find out in this. Okay. In that way also we can find out. So V is equal to R omega. V is equal to R omega. Now we have this equation. I write star. Okay. This equation is 1, 2, 3. From a star. So V is equal to A, centripetal acceleration V square means R square omega square divided by R, which is equal to AC is equal to R omega square. This is the perfect explanation or perfect formula for centripetal acceleration. Whenever you are going to ask for competitive exam, centripetal acceleration, this formula you have to use. Okay, for competitive examination, that formula you have to use every time. Most of the time. Sometimes they will give a linear speed. They don't be able to find out this. Most of the time they will give that. Omega means what? What do you mean by omega? Omega means change in angle with respect to time. Change in angle with respect to time. Change in angle with respect to time is how I can write down omega. Say for example, you know how to write down that. I will erase this. This part is done, and we are going to talk about omega. Okay, little bit more information about omega. So this is not clear relation between linear speed and angular speed. Relation between linear speed and angular speed. Now we are going to talk about omega. Omega means what? Angle, the rate of change of angle with respect to time. Now what I said, one rotation is 360 degree. See how you are going to write down. 30 degree means how you are going to write down. Pi by 6 you are going to write down. No? So 90 degree means how you are going to write down. Pi by 2 you are going to write down. So 360 degree means how you are going to write down. 2 pi you are going to write down. This is in radian. This is in degrees. Always you have to say angles in terms of radian, not in degree. Okay. Angle in terms of radian. Okay. Now I am going to tell you that omega means what? One rotation. The time taken for one rotation is called as time period. You have to write down this. The time taken for one rotation is called as time period. Time taken for one rotation is called time period. Time period. Okay. So that is capital T. Now omega, one rotation means how much? One rotation means 360 degree. 360 degree means how much? 2 pi divided by T. 2 pi divided by T. No? So omega is equal to pi f. Why? Because T is 1 by T is nothing but f. What is by f? F is nothing but frequency. Frequency means number of rotations per second. Number of rotations per second. Okay. This is cross multiplication. Number of rotations per second means for one rotation T is the time taken. Okay. For one rotation T is the time taken. So for 1 second, how much rotations? For one rotation So what else we can write down? We can write down also, since omega we know omega is nothing but this no. And what is centripetal acceleration? R omega square, right? Now centripetal acceleration R into omega means what? Omega means what? That is 2 pi. That is what? 4 pi square f square. So also you are going to get 4 pi square f square r. This is one more explanation you will get our expression. This is useful for your competitive exams. Okay, this is useful for the competitive exam. This derivation they won't ask, but this you should know. Okay, is omega is equal to pi. What is pi? F is equal to frequency. What do you mean by frequency? Frequency is the number of oscillations per second. What do you mean by time period? Time period is nothing but time taken to take one oscillation. Time taken to revolve one oscillation. I said rotation. Oscillation, rotation is not same. Okay, oscillation is different. To and fro motion that you have to find out, that you have to study in your next classes. Okay, so actually it is now for this it is rotation, number of rotation per unit second, number of rotation per unit second means number of revolution. 1 second means it becomes frequency. Number time taken for one oscillation, one rotation means it is time period. What is the time? Yes, I unit of time period is seconds. Okay. This is the thing. So good. This is one you study. Okay, nicely and write down the notes also. You may get some of the notes later, but whatever you have studied from the video lectures you have to write down. Okay, that is the thing. So thank you very much for this. This is the thing. Next topic again we are going to study. Okay, this is what I can say motion in a plane. Now some of the numerical sums we have to divide and discuss. Okay, so this is what theory is here. Motion in a plane we are going to conclude. So what is the motion in a plane? Motion in a plane is nothing but object which is moving in a plane, x, y plane, y, z plane, z x plane, like that. Okay, means simultaneously x and y axis is going to change. That is motion in a 2 dimension. Okay, motion in a 2 dimension. Okay, that is it. So 2 examples we have studied. One is projectile motion and the one is object moving in a uniform motion. Object moving in uniform motion means it is having constant speed but change in velocity, and that change in velocity is acceleration, and that acceleration is nothing but centripetal acceleration. Okay, so thank you very much.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.